The Husky Liners X-act Contour perfectly matches the contours of your truck or SUV and brings together indestructible strength with a soft, comfortable cushion. Whether you're installing them for the first time or the 1000th time, cleanup and installation is a snap. First, open your new Husky Liners X-act Contour package and remove the liners from the box. If you're replacing existing floor mats, please remove them from your vehicle. Examine the floor on both the driver and passenger sides of the vehicle. It is possible your truck has floor mat retention posts built into it. If it does, you'll want to use these to secure the liner. Next, slide the driver's and passenger's side liners into place. While pressing down on the liner, turn the twist locks on top of the retention posts to secure. If you've purchased a second seat liner for the back of the cab, please remove all items from the floor of the cab. Remove the existing floor mats, and then slide the second seat liner into place. X-act Contour liners have been designed for easy cleanup. Both the DuraGrip material and form-fit design allow you to contain the mess until you can yank, dump, rinse, and repeat. It's that simple. From all of us at Husky Liners, thanks for watching. And for those who have purchased a new set of X-act Contours, we appreciate your business. We hope you experience many years of increased protection for your truck.